Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
When is the best day to visit the DMV? The best days to visit the DMV are the middle of the week, Wednesday or Thursday, and in the middle of the month. Since most vehicle registrations expire at the end of the month, you can expect that there will be long lines during the first and last weeks. 1 December 2020.
Take our lead.
If you don't have a real ID, and you are converting your license to real ID, they will take your photo. They did for when I upgraded to real ID as a replacement. Yes, you will need a new picture. Other than that, just apply online and bring in your documentation with the confirmation code.
Let's help you make your mark.
The DMV in California is slow for 3 reasons. 1. There are not enough DMV offices for the larger urban areas, causing crowding and long lines. I had to get the new, Real ID license and drove 30 miles to a rural DMV office I had used the DMV appointment system to get an appointment at. There was a 3-person line.
Take our lead.
Alternatively, the best times to go to the DMV are during the week, mid to late afternoon, when most people are working. Going in the middle of the month can also save you some time, as many drivers flood the DMV at the beginning and end of the month to get their license renewed. 6 February 2018.
Take our lead.
Avoid the day before or after a holiday. The days right before or after a holiday are traditionally busy because the DMV was closed for a day. Don't go on Mondays, Tuesdays, and Fridays. For many DMV offices, your best bet for fast service is to hit up the office on Wednesday or Thursday. 8 January 2013.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.